Okay guys, up the plot today. Only have a quick look round for me. I'm not going to show you around again because we did it last week, didn't we? But those tromboncinos are taking off there, look. That one and that one. They go mad once they're out of their constrictive pots, you know what I mean? Anyway, what I've come up for really, I've got to get these few little, what you call them in here, begonias. And I want to look at the tomatoes. Now, as you know, they're all indoor tomatoes growing outdoors. And quite a few of these I've let 2 litres grow or more because I don't want them to go really tall. I want them to stay stocky. But with 2 litres, it should be twice as much fruit low down, shouldn't there? In my opinion, well, we'll see. On the end here with the parsley and the potato and the borage and the weed. Let's get rid of that. That's horrible stuff. I'll get rid of that. Do it properly in a minute. Kenilworth King George. Yeah, a few on there. Nice. Yeah, looking good. Next one over. Rose de Burn, one of my favourites. I said I wasn't going to grow that again this year, but I like it, so why not? Next one, Resistomate Pocket Book. Loads of flowers, no fruit as I can see. No. And the same with the next one as well, Pink Accordion. Now I thought I saw a fruit on there the other day actually. No. A few flowers though, so it should be alright. Next one over, Lima Karai. That's that one down there, look. It's a funny looking one, isn't it? And then we have a black looking one. Oh, Black Beauty. See again, let's see, two or 3 litres on this. And there's another fruit up there. I'll stop it soon. In fact, I don't think it's going to get any higher because they're all flowering at the top here. Look, so that'll do, yep. And the one on the end is not growing down there. I'm not going to bother putting my hand down there. Alice's Dream. Just didn't take off for some reason. Ooh. Not quite sure what's happening with these spuds. They look a bit... I think it's the extremes of weather. I don't think there's any disease. But, hey, that's the condor. Okay then, on the end we have Black and Brown Boar. Let's see if we can see anything in there. Can't see nothing, got marigolds poking through there. Loads of flowers on the next one. That's Copper River. And the next one, Hawaiian Pineapple. And this is an interesting looking one. Look at the truss on there. If they flower, if they fruit, sorry. Are they coming in? No, that is Michael Pollan Green. Next over is Russian Swirl. Again, loads of flowers, so fingers crossed for them. And we got some fruit on the next one, Rose Crush. So that's all right. And the last one up the allotment. And we got fruit on that as well. Oh, we did have. Oh well, the next one's will be stronger. And that is Saint Pierre. Yeah, not too bad. Let's have a quick look round and then do a bit of weeding and I'll be on my way. Oh, we've got to pick a courgette or 2. And some of these squash, I got a nice roast at the weekend. That'd be nice. And some green beans. Right, put you down and okay then, we're at home now. Carrying on with the tomato tour. This is Sharami F1. Oh, I love looking at that truss on that. Fantastic. Does that need tying up? No, that's fine. Meccano F1 or FI as I put there. Another nice lot. They often say the 3rd truss is the best. So what's that? That's the 2nd. So yeah, it's a side shoot there. Let's get rid of that. And White Lotus. Now these are some sizes. These are, look. Quite a few on this one. And again, no need to tie that one up. Might take a few lower leaves off that one, like I have with this, which is the Marbon. And this one is a triple leader. So that will be stopping pretty soon. We got 2 trusses formed and loads of flowers up there. Okay, let me just turn around a minute, I've got to blow my nose. Okay then, what we got here, Pink Boar. Yeah, that's all right there. Side shoot there. Go on. So we got 2 trusses there and a few more flowers. 2 lots of flowers coming up there. Happy with that. Okay then, golden accordion. Oh, swelling up nicely, that one. 3 trusses on there. Happy with that. I'm quite happy, you can tell. Now this black one is Black Moon F1. Oh, look at that lot. Look at that. Let's get those out of the way a minute. Hang on. Oh, that's good. That's good. It's gone all windy. I don't know why. And Captain Lucky on the end here. Yeah, loads there as well. So doing all right. A little bit of curly leaf there. No pest damage, so not worried about that. Yeah, I did okay. Let's have a stand back and have a look. Yep. That's a way to grow tomatoes. Tumblers, I'll take you to the tumblers in a second. Let's do the bushy type ones, or should I say, the ones I'm growing as bushes. Okay then, so we have in here, on the end, that is Santiam Sunrise, and Tim's Taste of Paradise. Loads of flowers. I'll have to get in there a bit with that one. Yeah, I'll do that in a minute. No rush. Let's get rid of the bin. Sun Gold, and we have some Sun Golds. There's one down there, look, see it? They're looking good. And the last one out the front here is the Indigo Pear Drop. Look at those, oh look at those, don't they look nice? Cool. Now, the trouble with these I'm going to say funny coloured tomatoes is I don't know when they're ready. Red ones are easy, you pick them when they're red. Oh, loads of flowers on this as well. Cool. Right then, yeah, tumblers. I have a bit of problem with the leaves on this. I get loads of fruit, don't get me wrong. But yeah, they're going over very, very quick this year. A little bit of septoria there, let's see. But I've had a few pickings, they're coming along still. Still got a few flowers on there. Right, let's have a quick look at the chilies while I'm at the front here. Okay then, those 3 there, these are the paprika. And I'm going to be picking some of those later on, either today or tomorrow. Start drying them. Very good. Okay then, Anaheim. Yeah, fruits there. Look at the size of that one. Hoo-hoo-hoo. Jalapenos, yeah, the classic jalapenos score in there, look. Yep. Oh, Padrons, they're nice, they were nice last year. Yeah, Onivec, coming on. Cool, this one's reaching for the sky. Doing a U-turn. Golden cayenne, the yellow one's there, and red cayenne over there. Now, in the Let Pot MP1 we have habanero chocolate. There we are, look, see. Nice. Maca Peach, now this was the little weedy one, and that is fruiting up nicely. And BOF, Basket of Fire. Now this is one of my favourites because it's nice, it's hot, and it's not too hot, not for me anyway. In the back we have, I'll tell you what, let's have a quick water while I'm here. Apache. Oh, excuse me, sniffing on something with me today. Yeah, loads in there, look. Brilliant. This is another habanero. Look at this one. It's huge. A big one on the end. Loads of fruits in there as well. So that means this one must be the other Basket of Fire. There we are. Brilliant. Cool. And the peppers, they're doing nicely. Banana pepper. These are the sweet peppers. Banana. California Wonder. Look at those. King of the North. And hello. Is it me you're looking for? I'll be taking some of those this weekend, I think. Okay, they're nearly there with the tomatoes. These are ones in the back garden. This is honey. No, it's not. It's red alert. Sorry, red alert. This is the honeycomb, and they're doing very nicely. Look, I just had to tie that one in again. Now this one here, this little one at the end, that is Tim's Taste. Oh, they get my arm out of the way, Steve. Tim's Taste of Paradise. Yeah. I think this soil in the bed here is so depleted. Needs a drop of super soil. Needs a bit of work because, as you know, I keep on about it with that tree. I mean, I go down 3 inches in this bed and there's all tree roots in there. Right, the ones at the back I've labelled, so I'm quite clever. First in the field here. Oh, cool, I can't see that. This is first in the field. And this is one of those ones, potato leaf variety, look. Yeah, they're doing all right. 3 trusses on that one, that'll do me. Don't want any more. Oh. Mortgage lifter there, up this big cane. There's some nice ones there. Another truss there and a third one up there. That may do it for an outdoor tomato. And the third one out the back here is best of all. Well, there's a couple there. There's a good truss at the back there, look. Yeah, so I think I'm doing pretty well with tomatoes this year. Of course, we've got one in the greenhouse, but you've had a good look at that last week. Oh, I'll show you again, hang on. This is the Rogue one, the Volunteer. So they are, I'll tell you what, I had a taste of one of these the other day, and there's no way that these are Brad's Atomic. I don't know what they are. It's got to be a bird dropping. It's got to be a crossbreed or something. The only stripy one I grew last year was Brad's Atomic. Nick suggested it could be a Tigerella, but I haven't grown Tigerella, unless it's a bird drop-in, of course. But how would a bird drop-in get in my compost? Oh, yeah, okay, I'm not asking a stupid question there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 trusses. I better tie it up and I wrap him round. Hang on, get the string round there. He's come untwined, and he's come unhinged. Yeah, that's that then. Quick one while we're here. Look, peas dried out nicely. These are the Douche Provence. And these are the Hearst Green Shaft. So they're drying up nicely. Okay then guys, I want to get these elephant garlic out. There's a few other garlics in there as well, which I want to get out. I've just noticed as well, can you see him over there? There's a bee trapped in the netting, so I want to get him out as well. Yeah, there's trouble with the netting. It's like this little gap, and they get in, don't they? And they can't get out because they can't remember how they got in. Right, so I'm going to get these garlic out and I'll show you when I've finished. Well, that's not too bad. We got 5 decent sized elephants there. Well, my hand size anyway. Gonna let them dry out a little bit and well, stick them into storage. The rest of the garlic were typical Digwell garlic, pretty rubbish, so I reckon that's it now. Not going to do garlic again, apart from the elephant garlic. But elephant garlic's not really garlic, is it? So, oh. Right then, moving down from the bed that I just lifted the garlic. I've got some swede in here. I got Organic Joan 6 at the far side and 6 Mariam at the front here. Funny how they're all ladies' names, isn't it? That cucumber's doing well. Look at that. See that one down there? That's a Venlo. And Bill and Valve's. Let's get it in, zoom in on that. Here we are, Bill and Val's Minnesota Midget Melon. I think it's liking it because it's starting to flower in its new location. So what's next? A bit of watering, I think. These kestrel spuds are looking a bit sorry for themselves. Most of the foliage has died off. It's like again, very unusual for a second early. So I'm going to get them all up and I'll come back when they're all done, eh? Well, that's pretty rubbish, really. I may be able to get 4 similar looking ones for the show bench, but 6 potatoes. Maybe my soil was too sandy because it was the old carrot box. I'll get in there with a little fork in a minute and see if I find any more. I'll stick these in the bowl for now and see if I can find some good ones. Okay then, I'm going to put those 7 to one side, put them in the fridge, wrap them in tissue, put them in the fridge, and I should be able to get 4 out of that, I reckon. We'll see. Well, that's it, guys. Just a quick look at my tomatoes and chilies and peppers. I had to get that garlic up, it was going over, and I ran out of potatoes, so I had to get some potatoes up, so I just thought I'd share it with you. Stay tuned, the grandkids have the final say, watch themselves on the big screen, and Rowan gets the last word in. Take care, guys, and I'll catch you soon.